As you already know, on the 11th of August 2023, Vibez shut down London's Indigo O2 Indigo, whatever you call it. And it was an absolutely crazy affair, absolutely amazing event that featured a lot of guest artists. But here are 5 things that happened that, man, really kind of stood out, for us. Number 1, you just gotta love that bromance. The bromance between Vibez and Dapper is special. Number 2, Vibez loves his drip. See him checking out himself like Bikini we just wearing Christmas clothes. Number 3, Vibez will totally rock as a Fuji artist. Number 4, he's dropped many songs in 2023, but he still gets the loudest ovation when he performs Gwagwalada. And number 5, Pluto is blown. Hopefully blown enough though to start arranging that 200 million naira. And those are 5 things that we learned at Vibez London O2 Indigo event. Yay!